My name is Chanel. Welcome to Pools Amphitheater for High Flyers. Thank you. This afternoon we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. Now we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take action for our feathered friends all across the world. Now right now we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. Now in the wild, macaws, they love to congregate at palm trees and feast on palm nuts. Now look right up here, we have some replicas of palm leaves. And with that, let's welcome the birds. Look right back there. Here comes Gaia, high-seed macaw. And right behind Gaia is another friend. Here comes Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. And look at them just enjoying their palm fruits and nuts right up there on those palm leaves. Now what happens after feeding in the wild is that they will fly to rocky surfaces, just like these, to lick up on clay or chalk. Now this helps in the digestion of any unripe palm fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Well, it looks like they're still enjoying the tree right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop. Well, it looks like more birds are joining us on stage. Now birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting period. Now about to have a little competition to see who is better at gathering fruit, and they need supporters. Now people on this section, you're cheering for Barry, our green-winged macaw. I need you to clap your hands. Go, Barry, Barry. How's that? Good. That was a better cry. Good job. Now people on this section, cheer for Billy, our scarlet macaw. Billy, Billy. Very good. Our supporters keep cheering for your birds. Right over here, I have a hollow tree trunk, and the birds have 4 fruits each. Okay, they're going to drop their fruits in one by one into this tree trunk, and we'll see who finishes faster. Okay. Okay, everyone get ready, birds get ready, and go! Oh, good job, Barry! One last round for Billy. There he goes. Good job, Billy as well. But the winner is Barry. Good job. Oh, well done, supporters. Just a warm up. One more game. One more game, is that okay? Yes, let's give Billy a second chance. Alright. Okay. Here we go. 4 fruits for each bird again. Our supporters, remember to keep cheering for your birds. Our birds are just like us. They need the encouragement, alright? Okay. Get ready and go! Oh, Barry has won once again. Barry is the Fruit Blue champion at collecting fruits. Well done, Barry. Well done. Well done, supporters as well. Oh, it's okay. Yes, that was a very close fight back there. He's almost as good as Barry. Let's give our fruit collecting macaws a round of applause. Thank you. As you can tell right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we like to give our birds fun activities to do that are similar to what they would do in the wild. Now this is called enrichment. Now look right up there, we have trainer Adila, which is holding on to an enrichment device. Now enrichment device is a rope that has been tied into knots. And within these knots, we have hidden treats for birds to find. Now, just some final instructions for our volunteer there. Before the birds appear, let me just remind you to remain seated at all times. Okay, looks like our volunteer is ready. Okay, let's get our guests to sit down first. Okay, let's see. Our volunteers, wow! I think we have 4 sun conures joining us today. Oh, here comes more. Our sun conures like them can be found in the northeastern region of South America. They like to travel in huge flocks. Can you imagine how colorful but noisy that would be? Now, here in the Toronto Bird Park, we like to get the younger generation involved in conservation as well. Now, the next box that we flew right back from was built by students from Greenwich Primary School. And this way, we get the younger generation involved as well. Oh, flying right back. Thank you, our sun conures. Now, we need 2 more volunteers. I'll get the attention of Lena on the side here. Just wave your hand at her. Or I think Adila already has a volunteer. Now, every morning, the male and female toucan will leave their nests to look for food for their